Hi, Delta and Michael. I'm going to look at yours together. Delta, I thought that this was great. I do think you have an affinity for typography. I love your font combinations. That boxy one underneath the title is really cool. And it goes well with the green stripe and the black on white. I think there's a lot of nice contrast and balance. So we just had a couple suggestions. So black and green are very close in hue, and teeny tiny type is hard to read on it. So consider making your body copy font a little bigger, and if you're going to have it overlap at all, you don't want a long string because it's hard to read. So just even out the body copy a little bit more. And when you do that, try to do a text wrap around the apple. It has a really nice effect. And then my final comment to you is, again, your apple looks nice, but I'm trying to show you the edge. The edge of the apple on the left is a little too sharp. I don't know how to deselect the stupid. There we go. It comes to a point, and apples don't grow like that. So get in there and adjust it. Okay, Michael, take a look at yours. Okay, yours is very minimalistic. It actually looks like not a lot of effort was put into it. I like the shape of the apple, and the green really pops against the red. But as far as the typography, you could definitely do a lot more. In fact, you could take a page out of Delta's book. You go to a free font site like thefont.com and you download these fonts, and then you pair them with something that's easier to read. Like he used a serif font for the body copy, and the Mind, just takes that in easier because it's what you see in books all the time. But you see how the decorative font on top really adds a lot to the layout. So instead of just underlining it like it was a Word document, download a free font from thefont.com and replace that with what you have for putting in the seed. And then, work a little, a more design-wise with the apple. See, I don't know if you did this in InDesign or Illustrator. It doesn't look like it. So you want to put a text wrap around the apple. If you need a tutorial or something like that, let me know. I'm happy to help. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions.